Welcome to the channel. If you're not a developer and you want to develop, there's a solution. Today I'm going to show you how to use Base44. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is jump into app.base44.com, and literally you can sign up for free. You're able to make, I believe, 3 apps or websites on your own without having to sign up for their paid tier. So what you want to see here is there's this box, and this is the most important thing here. So now simply all you have to do is describe the app that you want to create. So let's go and say create an app that I can use to organize my day-to-day schedule. Of course, you can put in more details here. So you can say add a checkbox on every card or any list, make it in a list format, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and describe it, what it is that you want. But I'm going to use this basic command. And if you're looking for some inspiration, you actually go ahead here and click on templates, and this will allow you to go and have a look at some of their templates, and maybe they have something that's similar to what you want, and then you can customize it. So what we can also do here is click on the plus icon. Here you can just upload files, and you'll be able to literally upload files from your device. So if you'd like to add in image or whatever the case may be, you want to add in a PDF document, this is stuff that you can add in here. Then we've got the styling instructions, and here you can add styling instructions. So this over here is what this will look like. So all you need to do is click on add style instructions. You can also see where it's used and some of their key features, and there are a few. So all you need to do is just go ahead and simply click on add styling instructions. So this is now the instructions, and of course you can go and customize those instructions. Let's go ahead and click on this arrow over here. Now, once you do this, it'll take a few seconds, a few minutes, depending on how detailed your app is. On the left-hand side, you will see that it is now going through all of the details of your command, and it is trying to build what it needs to build. So now, basically what it's doing is thinking. You'll see now on the right-hand side, there is a preview, and this is actually an interactive preview. And I know it looks pretty funky, right? But this is the styling that I chose, and I think it actually looks pretty cool. So on the left-hand side, you can see all of the thinking that it did. It can also give you some additional details over here. If you just go down here, it used 6 tools. It tells you what tools it used. It tells you what it wrote, and all of the other details over here. Now, the interactive part, you can see this is actually interactive. So I can click on add event. Here's a new event. I can add the event title, description, date, everything that I need. I can change the color. I think it's actually pretty sick looking. You can also change like what day you want to actually change put your event on. And then on the left hand side, let's say you want to make some changes. Let's say that you want to just change small elements. You're going to go ahead, click in this box over here, and with the free tier, you will have limited queries. But here you can ask specifically for changes to be made. Let's say you want to make this run this way and not this way. Whatever it is, you just put it in over here. And once you're done, you're going to click on publish, and you're going to have an app that you can use for yourself. You can use in a small team. You can upscale it to a large team, and you can even sell this app to other people so that they can use it.